Let's talk about another 3D figure. Cones are a lot like pyramids. And in fact, if you think about a pyramid relating to a prism, you can think about a cone relating to a cylinder. So cones, like pyramids, have a height from the center of the base to the vertex and have a slant height, which is this. It's kind of the height of the curved section. If we're looking at the net of our cone, then the slant height is this length right here. And this is, with this being the base and this being that area that kind of wraps around the cone. So that's not a very good L. Let's maybe try one more time. That's the slant height. Okay. So the volume, then, just like a pyramid, is 1/3 times the base times the height. The nice thing about cones is that we know the base is always going to be a circle. So 1/3 times pi r squared times height. And you could write this a lot of different ways, but this is the volume of a cone. That's the formula for the volume of a cone. Usually we'll have pi at the end. It's all semantics, right? So this is a good formula to get you the volume of a cone. Let's talk about lateral surface area. Just like in a pyramid, the lateral surface area is equal to, so the lateral area is equal to 1/2 times the slant height. Let's maybe do this in blue, just so we can keep our formulas separate. The lateral area is 1/2 times the slant height times the perimeter of the base. Now the base, right, if this is our base, it has a radius of r. And hopefully you remember that the perimeter of a circle is the circumference. So P is the circumference of the circle, which is 2 pi r, right? Pi times diameter, or 2 pi r, is our circumference. So then let's plug that in. The lateral area is 1/2 times the slant height times 2 pi r. And if you'll notice, 1/2 times 2 is just 1. So those cancel out, and we get a lateral area equal to, you could say L pi r, or a lot of times you'll see this written as pi r L. Either way, that is the formula to help you find the lateral area, the lateral surface area of a cone. Okay, now the total surface area is just the lateral area plus the area of the base. So in our case, that's pi RL. Maybe we'll write that in blue. Pi RL plus the area of the base, which is pi r squared. If you factor out a pi and an r, then you get pi r times L plus R. So you can use this formula. I mean, that's fine, but I think that's probably just more helpful to think of the total surface area as the lateral area plus the area of the base. Because again, if you're finding the volume and the lateral surface area and the total surface area, you'll find these components, lateral area and base, when looking for the volume and when looking for, obviously, the lateral area. So now you should feel confident in finding the volume, the surface area, and the lateral area of a cone.